Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to use pivot table in Google Sheet. And for your information, this is the level 3 of my Google Sheet series. Let's go to the exercise. For our convenience, I have already prepared a table which will I convert in pivot table here. So the most important thing is that in pivot table you have to you must have a header. Okay, see, I have created a header here and I can color it for your clear understanding. And this is my table. Here is the sales date, here is the region, here is the salesman, here is the items, units, price, and values. And this may vary to work. So we'll convert this table into a pivot table today. So let's see how can we do this. First of all, we have to select the whole table. Now go to insert, and here we will find the pivot table. Click here, and they ask me to data range. The data range is already selected here automatically. We can change the range from here, and they ask me whether I want to create this pivot table in this page or any new sheet. So I prefer the new sheet. Okay, then I create. The basic skeleton of the pivot table is already created here. Here is nothing, and it now depends upon me. How can I see the table, and how I want to organize the data? Okay, so there are lots of options, suggestions. I minimize the suggestions. Okay, so first of all, there is a row option. So what I want to see in this row, see, if we go back, here is some data like sales data, region, salesman, item, unit, price, and values. So first of all, I want to see the region wise sales. So I will add the region name here. Okay. In column, I want to see the item numbers, item names. In columns, I click on items. Okay, fine. Now let's check down and the values. Values, I want to see the region wise, the item, and unit wise sales. Unit, how many units sold in this region. So I click on unit. Okay, and units are in sum. You can choose the many options: count, sum, max, minimum, medium, etc. So I can get a clear view from this chart that region wise item. So if I want to make this table more aesthetic, I can select this and I can reorganize the. Okay, now it looks better. So see how the calculator sold in Chittagong 100, Dhaka 100, and total 200 sold. Maximum all the items, grand total items is 400. Okay, this is one type of data I want to see. Now I want to see the data as per the salesman. So what I have to do in column data, I will change. I will add in row data. I will add salesman. So here I found the salesman wise unit cell. Okay, salesman wise unit cell. This is very easy and clean. Salesman was very clean. And if I want to know now the value was sales, then I again put the data row was the salesman and column will be the value data. Columns total C total item 404. If I want to see many other options, there are many other options like in column row in column I want to add items in column I want to and in value options I want to in value options I want to see the real value. So the sold the value is here. Now I want to see the region wise sales. Okay, this is only filter option is also available here like Excel, but it's very easy. If filter options, I want to select the region. Okay, now here all the regions are tick mark. So all the table shows the all regions data. I just tick off the data regions. Now I want to see a specific region myself. So let's think about Dhaka. Then click OK. Only in Dhaka, our salesman only sold calculator and table item. Okay, so this is very much easier. The main interesting thing is that in Google Sheet, the pivot table is very easy to use and you can easily summarize the data by dragging that column to different sections of the column. The columns can also be rearranged as you wish with the click of a mouse. So I think especially to me, I like pivot table in Google Sheet rather than the Excel. I request all of you to try this pivot table in Google Sheet and enjoy it. Thanks for staying with me. Goodbye for today and see you tomorrow again.